Divas and Divos, it's me, just Londa, and this is day 2. I know everything is pre-recorded, but it is what it is. This is the way I could do it. I couldn't just do it back to back to back. At least not yet. Once I get on a good foot, we'll do that. But right now, I just had to space it out because it's a time. Sidebar. Is anyone puppy opening their door? So we have like these latches on the door, and our puppy has figured out how to open the door. So now when she's in the side yard that we have and she's ready to come in, if we don't lock it, she'll open it. I was trying to be sneaky because she likes to look at us eat, because we sometimes feed her our food. We don't mean, well, I can't say we don't mean to, but she looks so pitiful today. So we'll give her just like a little dab or something like that. So I was trying to be sneaky and I ran off into my room and I closed the door. That hooker said, wow! And just opened the door. It was like, give me some of that food. So comment below if your dogs know how to open door. But yes, this is day 2 look. It's fit. This is not what it was supposed to be. I was supposed to be using this palette along with my chocolate palette from Juvia's place. That totally went awry, as you can when you see this. But this is a nice mythical mirror. Like if we were out partying, like what was that, AC/DC stuff? This is what this what this look would be. Or like that what's that other thing that they have with all the rappers and stuff for the whole weekend for 2 weeks? That's what this would be. But yeah, I'm rambling. I'm gonna go ahead and roll that beautiful baby footage. Alright, so I prepped my lids with Too Faced Born This Way in the color Maple, and I just outlined my brow with Gordone Cosmetics brow. So yeah, I just wanted to play with my palettes on, and yeah. So, ooh, look at that. That's way over there. That's alright. So I'm going to be working from 2 palettes, this palette and this palette, to bust up this full glam look. So I'm going to start in with this color. So I'm just going to buff that for my backdrop in my crease with a fluffy brush. I'm going to take another fluffy brush and go in with Amethyst, and I'm going to put that in the outer V. I might put that in a corner too. We'll see how it goes. I never know how I'm going to be putting stuff together. I just throw it on and see how it looks. Okay, that's too fluffy. Okay, so this color is not picking up at all. Maybe that's why I haven't been playing with it. It's not picking up at all. Okay. Back up. Okay, so we're going to incorporate this palette here. Hopefully it'll save the day. I'm going to go in with this pinky color, pinky purple, and put that on that. Yep, that's what I'm talking about. And if you notice, I'm blowing it out pretty big around the eye because I'm not really concerned about anything just yet. I'm gonna go in with a dude and then try to be more precise on my outer V. Maybe that's not what I'm looking for. I wanted to incorporate this. Let's take some of these two together because I want it to be a darker purple, but I don't want too much. Yeah, that's about right. Let's try it again. I'm going with Twilight. Telling you, this look is really not coming out the way I want it to. Okay, so we're gonna go in with 3 of Hearts. So because I had Twilight down at the bottom, it has like that shift in the center. So we're going to do that again. Alright, so because I'm going to be washing off my face. Like as soon as I put this on, take the pictures and everything else, I'm going to be washing this off. So I'm going to go in with my Juvia's Place Gabon, and I'm not going to prep my face. Going to take my e.l.f. concealer in the color Deep Chestnut. So to even brighten it up a bit more, I'm going to go in with Juvia's Place number 16. I'm just going to kind of buff everything over. Go ahead and set it with my MAC's um, natural Mineralize Skin Finish in the color medium plus. Okay, so we pretty much got all the base on. I hadn't contoured or anything like that. I just wanted to have this part done. So I'm gonna go with Kiko pencil gel liner, and sorry, it's the Khole liner in the color 109, and it's blue, so I don't know why I grabbed it, I just did. Alright, so I'm going to go with octopus and just put that down on the lash line. I'm going to go back into Juvia's place and pick up these two colors with this brush and kind of blend out the harshness. Then I'm also going to bring this over into my crease. Go back in with that same fluffy brush and get this ready color here and buff. And then I'm going to also sweep this underneath here as well. It's going to kind of act like almost like an eraser, like a guide, because I do want it to be quite low. I'm also going to grab some of this beigey color here and put that underneath my brow bone, and then just reinforce that color back. Yeah, I like. So I'm gonna contour with Epic. For bronzer, ooh, I look. For bronzer, I'm gonna go in with Coco Naughty. No. What?
Don't you tell me no.
Because I don't want you knocking my stuff over.
Look, I know you got this bright behind light on. I can see.
Can I help you?
Oh, you're wrong.
I asked. I'm gonna go in with my Iman powder and a fluffy brush and do my buffing technique. For blusher, I think I'm gonna go in with After Party and Red Carpet. I think I'm gonna go in with After Party and Premiere. Alright. bring everything around to make it cohesive. For highlighter, I'm gonna go in with Glitz. Whoa. Take that same buffing brush and just kind of buff that in. For the inner corner, I'm also going to put in glitter on the inner corner as well because I really like how it's looking. Ooh, I look whimsical today. This is definitely not how it was supposed to come out, but it happens. So I'm gonna finish my brow, put on my liner, put on some lashes, put on some lip gloss, and we'll come back with the finished look. Alright, Divas and Divos, this is the finished look. On my lips, I've got Colourpop Feminist, Dose of Color Purple Fusion, and to top it off, I got Spacesuite from Fenty on my lips. The lashes are mine, meaning like what I'm testing out for my brand. If I come out with something, I just don't know yet. Sorry, and the liner is a gel liner from Inglot. So this is it. I just didn't think it was going to turn out this way. This is not what I was expecting for this look. This look is not what I imagined it to be, because I've played with that palette before, so I don't know if it's because of hard pan or what it was, but I wasn't able to use it the way I wanted to. So it is what it is. This look is a look. It is very mystical, etherical, you know, that type of look. So yeah, this look is not for everyone, I will say that. So yeah, I'm not gonna ramble. Thanks for watching, rating, subscribing, all that good jazz that makes me feel so warm and fuzzy inside. Peace and peace. Day 3 next. Bye.